Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can curvature your text so you can create some cool designs like this, or if you want to create an amazing stamp like this. Cool, let's jump right into Affinity Designer 2. So here I've already got our base for our stamp, but I'm going to show you how we can add our curvature text. So firstly, I'm going to go to our shapes and I'm going to use the ellipse tool. I'm going to hold down shift so I can create a circle of equal proportions. Think about that big is good enough. And I'm just going to center it. I've got my grid lines on, and if you don't, you can just go to the top and click View and Show Guides. Now that I've got in my circle, I can just go straight to my text tool, and you can just click anywhere along the circle where you'd like your text to start. So I'm going to click over here. Perfect. And now as you can see, you've got the starting point of your text and your ending point of your text being these little arrows. So I'm just going to drag my green one, and you'll see it will clip in over here. And then I'm just going to drag my red one and wait till it clicks in over here. Perfect. Now you can see my text starts from the center, and I'm going to say shop now. Just going to select my text and I'm going to make it slightly bigger. As you can see, our text is currently sitting on the base of the circle. If you want, at this top section, you can reverse it so that it flips to be on the inside of the circle. That's not what I want. I want to play with the baseline, and I'm just going to manually bring it in till it's around halfway. There we go. And now that I've got my shop now at the top, I'd like to write valid for 1 week at the bottom. So at the end of my text, I'm just going to click enter, and that's going to take me to the inside at the bottom here. I'm just going to write valid for 1 week. Now I'm going to have to adjust my starting and ending points for this text. So I'm just once again going to drag it and clip it into place. As you can see, my text is a little bit on the big side, so I'm just going to select it and I'm going to drop it. Now, my text is sitting on top of my baseline, but I would like it to now also be in the center. So I'm going to go to the top of my baseline and drag it down. Cool. Now, I also feel like the text got a little bit too much spacing between the lettering. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold down my Option key and adjust with my arrow keys. So I'm just going to shimmy it to the left, which will make the spacing smaller between the text. Cool. I think that's about right. And there you go. That's how simple it is to create curved text in Affinity Designer 2. If you want to learn how to remove a background of a logo, then please watch this video over here. Otherwise, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.